Senator Lauren Legarda, Congressman Paolo Javier, Congressman A.A. Legarda, in cooperation with the University of Antique, Mayor Asra Balatay, Director Ray Roquero, Attorney Popo Di Buco, and the municipality of Luan. Ladies and gentlemen, this co-main event is sanctioned by the Games and Business Board, Chairman Attorney Francisco J. Rivera, Chief for Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodel Manaog, and Commissioners Attorney Manny Plaza III and Angel Bautista. Ladies and gentlemen, the three judges beside the ring scoring this contest in the 10-point plus system will be Romeo Sumalapao, Henry Sestina, and Gideon Nieves. And when the bell rings, your man in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Don Nieves. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing blue and red, official weight 160 pounds, professional record 1 victory, 6 defeats. Ladies and gentlemen, from San Lion Occidental Mindoro, here is John Marquiseno. And someone across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing red with black, official weight 114.8 pounds, professional record an outstanding one, 20 big victories with only 2 defeats, proudly representing Hard Knocks Fitness and Boxing Gym all the way, and proudly representing San Jose de Buena Vista Antique. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Don Nieves.
Alright, we are here and co-event Nicholson and very so common is the line. So take yourself and we recommend take a stand and do that. Alright, dito na tayo sa mga event between Edsel Dragon versus John Mark Bistino. Tingnan natin ito kayo.
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.
San Jose de Buena Vista Antique versus Sambayan.
Round number 1.
Alright. As you can see, Edsel Dragon wearing red gloves and Bistino wearing blue gloves. So, ito ang laban niya. Lumilipat niya. Kasi matangkat kasi na si David Karna at gumagamit ng protocol. And kung pinalis ko sa nagkakaroon si David sa palarong pagbansa, palarong prayer.
punches rather than walot, no? Kasi kung kasi malaban niya yung matangkad, mahaba pa, lalo talagang hindi tatama. But if you will throw his punches in a straight direction at sunod-sunod, maaaring tumama.
Yes, tama.
Isa, dalawa.
Wow! So, bilis tayo ni Darren Barna. Amateurista talaga na. Hindi din pero yung achieve na dito sa amateur.
Alam mo, nung pagpunta natin dito, gabi tayo pumunta dito, partner. Pero bukas, nandiyan naman si Edsel. Sana day rate tayo bukas. Day rate. Day rate pala. Hindi na what I'm left from day rate.
Ito si Darren Barna. Si John Pedro. What a punch! Hornets comes indeed! Make some noise! Thank you so much, Mayor Asa Bananan! And of course, in the most sports kay Congressman A.A. Ligarda and Senator Lorna Ligarda and the future Governor, Paolo Javier. Thank you very
Well,
much.
I should go on Congressman Paolo Javier to help us award the winner of this round.
And of course, trainers. Thank you so much for assisting our boxers. Prepara dyan ang taga-Arnax. Dapat kasama ko mo. Ayan. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 1 minute and 35 seconds of the second round, we have a winner by knockout. Your winner, the Pride of Antique, Edsel David.
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.